What is PaaS? Platform as a Service is a cloud computing model that provides a platform allowing developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It sits between Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, which offers raw infrastructure, and Software as a Service, SaaS, which delivers fully functional applications. PaaS provides an environment with the necessary tools, frameworks, and services so developers can focus on coding and functionality rather than hardware, OS, or storage concerns. Key components of PaaS development tools. PaaS platforms come equipped with various development tools like integrated development environments, IDs, version control systems, and debugging tools. These tools streamline the coding process, allowing developers to work more efficiently. Middleware in PaaS is the software that sits between the operating system and applications on a server. It enables communication and data management for distributed applications. PaaS provides middleware that developers don't have to install or manage separately, simplifying the development process. Database management. PS offers database management systems that are integrated into the platform. Developers can create, manage, and maintain databases with minimal hassle. The platform handles tasks like scaling, backups, and security, making database management easier. Application hosting. With PaaS, developers can host applications directly on the platform. The PaaS provider takes care of the servers, networking, and storage needed to host applications. This eliminates the need for developers to set up and maintain their own hosting environments. Scalability and load balancing. PaaS platforms offer scalability, allowing applications to handle varying loads efficiently. Load balancing ensures that the application can manage traffic and distribute it across servers, providing a seamless user experience. The platform manages these features automatically, so developers don't have to worry about the details. PaaS operates by providing a cloud based environment where developers can access resources and tools over the internet. When a developer logs into a PaaS platform, they can start coding immediately using pre configured tools and frameworks. The platform takes care of provisioning the necessary infrastructure, such as servers, storage, and networks. Once the application is built, PaaS simplifies the deployment process, often with just a few clicks, and ensures that the application is live and accessible to users. Advantages of PaaS: faster time to market. One of the biggest advantages of PaaS is the speed at which applications can be developed and deployed. Since developers don't have to manage the underlying infrastructure, they can focus on coding and innovation, leading to faster time to market. Cost effective. PaaS is cost effective because it reduces the need to invest in physical infrastructure, software licenses, and other development tools. Developers pay for what they use, which is especially beneficial for startups and small businesses. Flexibility. PaaS platforms provide flexibility in terms of tools and languages. Developers can use different programming languages, frameworks, and tools depending on their needs. This flexibility allows them to create custom solutions more efficiently. Collaboration. PaaS enables better collaboration among development teams. Since everything is hosted in the cloud, team members can work together from different locations, accessing the same tools and resources in real time. Automatic updates and maintenance. PaaS providers handle automatic updates and maintenance of the platform. This ensures that developers are always working with the latest versions of tools and frameworks, reducing the risk of security vulnerabilities and compatibility issues. Real-life use cases. Web application development. A common use case for PaaS is web application development. For example, a company like Netflix uses PaaS to develop, test, and deploy new features without managing the underlying infrastructure. Developers can focus on creating a seamless streaming experience while the PaaS provider handles the scaling and hosting. Mobile app development. Another example is mobile app development. Companies like Heroku provide PaaS platforms that are perfect for building and hosting mobile apps. Developers can quickly build prototypes, test them, and scale up as needed without worrying about servers or databases. Enterprise software. Large enterprises use PaaS for building enterprise software. For instance, IBM's Cloud Foundry allows enterprises to develop complex applications with high security, compliance, and scalability requirements. These applications can then be deployed across multiple environments, including private and public clouds. Challenges and considerations. Vendor lock-in. One potential challenge with PaaS is vendor lock-in. Since the platform handles much of the infrastructure and services, migrating to another provider can be difficult. Developers should consider the implications of becoming too dependent on a single PaaS provider. Customization limitations. While PaaS provides many tools and services, there may be limitations in customization. Developers might find that certain configurations or optimizations are not possible due to the constraints of the platform. Security concerns. Though PaaS providers offer robust security features, developers must still be vigilant about security. Ensuring that applications are developed with security best practices is crucial, as vulnerabilities in the code can still be exploited even if the platform is secure. Popular PaaS providers. Google App Engine is a widely used PaaS that allows developers to build and deploy applications on Google's infrastructure. It supports multiple programming languages and offers integrated services like databases and caching. Microsoft Azure App Services. Microsoft Azure's PaaS offering, Azure App Services, is another popular choice. It enables developers to build web apps, mobile apps, and APIs that can be hosted in the cloud with built-in scaling and monitoring features. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Amazon Web Services, AWS, offers Elastic Beanstalk, a PaaS solution that simplifies the process of deploying and managing applications. It supports a wide range of languages and frameworks, making it a versatile choice for developers. Conclusion. PaaS provides a powerful environment for developers to create, deploy, and manage applications without the burden of managing infrastructure. By offering tools, middleware, database management, and scalability out of the box, PaaS allows developers to focus on innovation and speed. However, considerations such as vendor lock-in, customization limits, and security must be carefully evaluated. With providers like Google, Microsoft, and AWS leading the market, PaaS continues to be a driving force in modern software development, enabling businesses to bring applications to market faster and more efficiently.